Hi dear, so today we're going to be learning how to mold the brim of this hat. But before we get into that, let's see who won this game, the game that we put up in this video. And it is Ferrani Benjamin. Congratulations, you have won to attend all these 12 classes in the Vent Craft Academy for free. Now she's the only one that answered it, and that's because she stayed true to the end and was able to see the question. Congratulations once more. Now let's get into today's tutorial. So the first thing we'll be needing is our cinnamon. Now this is 1.5 yards because we're going to be molding both the crown and the base. But today I'll show you how to mold the base. And that's the hat block. That's our stiffener. That's my very large bowl. And my hair cream. Or any oil base actually. Then our thumb tags. Now remember, if you cannot find any of this in your local store, just check the description of this video. You will see Amazon links, AliExpress links, and my own links to purchase the items. Then you'll be needing the nylon. You see what you're going to use that nylon for, and your scissors, as well as measurement tape and water. Then the cutter also will be needed once we finish. So the first thing you want to do is measure your mold and give it some inch, like an inch in both sides, and that gave us 18. So that means I need 18 by 18 cinnamon. But I'm going to be making it 3 layers. You can do 2 layers. So I folded, since I have 1.5, I folded it into 3 like you can see me doing. And then I cut out one piece. In fact, I cut out all the pieces because I need 3 for the crown and 3 for the base. Remember, it's the base that we're doing right now. That's the brim of the hat. So I folded it into 2 because the width of the cinnamon is by 36. So we're getting 18 by 18. Okay? Keep watching and learning. Next step in molding the brim of our hat is to cover the mold or your hat block with nylon, and then you cream it all around and underneath. I skipped that part, the video didn't record, sorry about that. Then now we're mixing up our stiffener. Now some people do the tapping method, they don't mix with water, but I love to dip to ensure that my my cinnamon is covered totally with the stiffener. So I have mixed, I've done the 3, and I noticed it was a bit watery. It shouldn't be too watery, it should just be in between. So I had to do it again. So these are the 3 I've already dipped. You can see it's not dripping so much. That's how it should be when you're done. So I'm placing it on top of my hat block. Remember, you would have creamed it first of all so that it comes out easily. Now the 3rd layer we're going to put diagonally like this, differently, and this is to ensure that it gives it a nice grade. Now this, you check the 2 edges, all the edges, to ensure that the materials will be able to cover up all. And then you do our north, south, east and west. You must put your thumb tags in that way first of all before you start squeezing each of the various parts. Now if you have watched our video on molding with other types of materials, you must have already known why that is done, and that's so that we would have a smooth finish. So keep watching and learning. Now our game challenge for today is, what are we molding next week? And the winner of this gets to attend 6 classes of their choice for free. If you're gaining value from this video so far, please do give us a thumbs up. Okay, now we're going to continue taking all the various corners till it's done like so. Okay, so I just use the little one that is left just to make sure that it touches all areas. Okay, so you put it out on the sun to dry. Now because it's raining season, it actually took 3 days to get dried, and this is how it is, looking so lovely and smooth, isn't it? Do let me know in the comment section below, was it smooth? All right, then the next thing you do is to take off your thumb tags that I'm doing, and after you're through with that, you cut off the edges. Now I usually cut it off to close to the pin part like so. Okay, so that's how it is right now. And then you start using your fingers and going round like this, and keep doing that till it starts easing off. Then you help it like so, and you continue all the way out till it comes out like so. And that's our molded hat brim, looking lovely. Now if you want to see how the molding of the crown is, you need to click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when it comes up next week. So till we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless.